Hello my dear students, I hope all are doing well. We are going to start today with another new poem, that is Ice Cream Man by Rachel Field. Rachel Field, she was born in the year 1894 and died in the year 1942. She was an American poet and also wrote children's stories. Okay, so take out page number 51. So by the name itself, Ice Cream Man. Ice cream is very popular during summer season. We all like, right? So if I ask you how many of you like ice cream, I'm sure all of you like, right? So we all like ice cream, and who sells ice cream? That is Ice Cream Man. So Ice Cream Man becomes our favorite person during summer season, right? So whenever an ice cream seller comes nearby our house, we get very excited, right? And we run towards the ice cream seller. So Ice Cream Man, which is the favorite person during summer season. So now I will read the poem, then I will explain you all. Okay, so pay attention and you have to learn 8 lines of this poem. Ice Cream Man, when summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So in the first stanza, the first 4 lines of the poem, what it is trying to say, when summer's in the city, when there is summer season in the city, that means during this time, during month of June, July, when there is what? Summer season, it's too hot and breaks a blaze of heat. Bricks means our houses are made up of what? Bricks or not. It becomes what? A blaze of heat. Blaze means burning hot like fire. It becomes so hot like fire. It's too hot, right? So the bricks on the pavement are on fire. At that time, when we see the ice cream man, oh, what kind of relief. We will have what? Ice cream. So the ice cream man with his little cart. Cart means the vehicle where he carries the different flavors of ice cream. The ice cream man. So when we see the ice cream man with his little cart trundling down, that means he is moving down the streets, moving on this broad wheels, that is the wheels of his cart. Okay, so he goes trundling down the street. Now beneath his round umbrella, so under his round umbrella we see a big umbrella, right, with his cart. Yes. Oh, what a joyful sight. Now we will see what is a joyful sight. Joyful means full of joy. Sight means the view, what you will see. To see him, what is a joyful sight? To see him feel the cones. Cones means the ice cream of this shape. Okay, cone shape. So when he feels the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, that means creamy. Cooling, it's too cold, of brown color ice cream, that means chocolate, and white vanilla. So when he feels the cones, it's a joyful sight. Oh, we will now have ice cream. So it's a joyful sight for all of us. Now what kind of flavors we get? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Vanilla means white color, chocolate means brown color, strawberry means pink color, right? So we get different flavors of ice cream or chilly things to drink. Chilly means cold things to drink, that means it is talking about cold drinks. Okay, the ice cream man has brought not only ice creams but also cold drinks from bottles full of frosty fizz. Frosty means it's ice like, fizz means the sound which comes when we open the bottle of cold drinks. Okay, frosty fizz, so cold bubbles in a soft drink, that means bubbles form in the soft drink, right? So we also get different colors in the cold drink: green, orange, white or pink. So the cold drinks are also of different colors: green, orange, white or pink. Okay, now his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Now the cart, the ice cream man cart, is compared to a flower bed because in flower bed we see different kinds of different colors of flowers, right? So same way we see in the ice cream man cart also different colors of ice creams, cold drinks. So the cart of the ice cream man is compared to a flower bed, flowers of roses and sweet peas. This is also a flowering plant. Okay, Now, the children, the way the children cluster around, cluster means they gather around the ice cream man. When they hear that the ice cream man is coming, the children, they will run and gather around the ice cream man to have this, what? Flavors, this cones. Yes, so the children are compared to honeybees, okay, as thick as honeybees. Why? Because honeybees also, when they get some sweet things or to suck the nectar from a flower, the honeybees gather round like the what? Children. So we have seen that the cart, the ice cream man cart is compared to a flower bed because of different colors, and the children are compared to honeybees because the children gathered round the ice cream man like the honeybees gathered in case of sweet things. Okay, so that's all about the poem. What you have seen here, that this is a happy poem. A happy poem where we see an ice cream man arrives on a street, and when the children have seen the ice cream man and his cart, they feel happy on a hot summer day. So they run and gather round the ice cream man, and the ice cream man has brought different flavors of ice cream, that is vanilla, then strawberry, chocolate. So these are different flavors of ice cream, and also some cold drinks, right? This is the thing which we like the most in this time, and we are missing it, right? Because we can't go anywhere, and whenever this ice cream man comes, we get very happy, right? So that's all. I hope you have understood. This is a poem all about ice cream, children's favorite thing, ice cream, and favorite person, ice cream man during hot summer season. Yes, so you have any doubt, you can ask me in your Zoom class. Thank you.